Hey, hey, let's sing the verbs nice and slow, word by word. Listen carefully, sing along. You'll remember them all before long. No change at all. Some verbs never change. They stay the same in past or now. They look the same. Let's sing them slow, one by one. Listen close, this is fun. Cost, 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 cut, cut, cut. Hit, 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 let, put, 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 shut, shut, shut. No change, no pain, easy to say again. Some verbs change just one time. Past and participle, they rhyme. Let's say them slowly, side by side. Feel the sound with learning pride. Bring, brought, brought, built, built, built. Buy, bought, bought, catch, caught, caught. Feel, felt, felt, have, had, had. Keep, kept, kept, lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made, meet, met, met. Read, 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 say, said, said. Sell, sold, sold, send, sent, sent. Sit, sat, sat, teach, taught, taught. Win, won, won, do the same. That's the rule. Learn them slow, that's cool. Now these verbs have three names, past and part, not the same. But if we sing them nice and slow, you'll remember. Now let's go. Be, was, been, begin, began, begun. Break, broke, broken, choose, chose, chosen. Do, did, done. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Know, knew, known. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. See, saw, seen. Sing, sang, sung. Swim, swam, swum. Speak, spoke, spoken. Take, took, taken. Wear, wore, worn. Three forms, three sounds. It's okay, we can learn them day by day. Be, was, been, that's where I've been. Do, did, done, now learning's fun. Go, went, gone, we're moving on. Sing, sang, sung, you can sing this song. Same, 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 easy to say. To the same, hooray, hooray. All different, that's okay. We'll sing those verbs every day. Same, 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 clap your hands. To the same, we understand. All different, we can play irregular verbs. Hooray! Cost, 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 built, built, built. Go, went, gone, we did it, we won. Sing the verbs slow and clear. Now English sounds sweet to your ear.